Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to Agri Quiz. So today we will discuss some of the important questions of agronomy. So let's start now. So the first question is hybrid rice for commercial production was first evolved in, and the correct answer is B, that is China. Then question number 2. Which one of the following has organic form of sulfur? The correct answer is B, that is cysteine. Then question number 3. Which form of nitrogen is available in urea? And the correct answer is B, that is amide. Then question number 4. Application of potash increases disease resistance in plants, resistance for waterlogging, frost resistance in plants, and none of these. Above all of the options, the correct answer is A, that is disease resistance in plants. Then moving forward to the next question number 5. Which of these herbicide is used to control weeds in zero tillage? Pendimethalin, flucloraline, paraquat, and alacrol. And the correct answer is C, that is paraquat. Then question number 6. The crown roots in wheat appear which of the following? First option is above soil surface, then below soil surface but above seed, below soil surface and below seed, or below seed. And the correct answer is B, below soil surface but above seed. Then the next question is question number 7. Which vegetable oil is good for heart patient? Groundnut oil, mustard oil, soybean oil, or sunflower oil? And the correct answer is D, that is sunflower oil. Then moving forward to next question, that is question number 8. Upas 120 is a variety of wheat, pigeon pea, barley, or urd. Urad. And the correct answer is B, that is pigeon pea. Then question number 9. Among the following, which plant's nutrient elements reaches roots by the process of diffusion? The options are phosphorus, calcium, nitrogen, potassium. And the correct answer is A, phosphorus. Then question number 10. The roots of which crop plant release allelopathic chemicals into the soil that inhibit the germination of succeeding crop? And the options are sorghum, sunflower, maize, or red gram. And the correct answer is B, that is sunflower. Then question number 11. Plant food manufactured by the process of photosynthesis in the presence of a nutrient in chlorophyll is which element? Calcium, magnesium, iron, or boron? And the correct answer is B, that is magnesium. Then moving forward to next question, that is question number 12. During germination, radicle and plumule develop from which part? Embryo, endosperm, hilum, or seed coat? And the correct answer is A, that is embryo. Then question number 13. In which of the following composite and synthetic cultivars are used? The options are rice, wheat, maize or cotton. And the correct answer is C, that is maize. Then next question is question number 14. Which cation has low adsorption capacity on clay? And the options are H, hydrogen, calcium, iron and sodium. And the correct answer is D, that is sodium, Na. The next question is question number 15. PDM 11 is a variety of, and the options are urad, arhar, moong or lobia. And the correct answer is option number C, that is moong. The correct answer is moong. PDM 11 is a variety of moong. Then moving forward to question number 16. All the grain legumes have a high photorespiration because of, and the options are C3 mechanism, more vegetative growth, interminate, indeterminate or pod position. And the correct answer is C3 mechanism, that is option A. Then question number 17. Soil structure is improved by the application of, and the options are urea, superphosphate, muriate of potash or zinc sulfate. And the correct answer is B, that is superphosphate. Then moving forward to next question. Question number 8. Organic carbon is a measure of, the following options are available nitrogen in soil, available potash in soil, available available phosphorus in soil, available potash in soil or available magnesium in soil. And the correct answer is option A, available nitrogen in soil. Then the next question, question number 19. Hydraulic conductivity of soil is very low in case of, the options are acid soils, saline soils, loam soils or alkali soils. And the correct answer is D, that is alkali soils. So the last number question, final question number 10. Repetitive growing of same soil crop on the same field is known as, the options are monocropping, sequential cropping, relay cropping or multiple cropping. So the correct answer is monocropping. Monocropping is known as the repetitive growing of same soil crop on the same field. Thank you.